the soils here needs nitrogen, nitrogeno. Perfect these ones for use as an organic material for this one, as a fertilizer. We'll take a GPS location of each of the implanted tree. The data we have a spreadsheet and registration, where you're gonna be your last name and your name. And 5 months from here, you will keep track about how your tree is doing.
Wow. In